In July, I decided to try something new for my channel and swipe my credit card on Fiverr. This time, I'm thinking of stepping it up by hiring an SEO expert to help my channel go viral and hopefully turn those views into real cash. After scrolling through countless gigs, I found a top-rated freelancer offering a service called "I will optimize the SEO for a YouTube channel on videos." It seemed like exactly what I needed, so I went for it. Since this is my first time trying this, I've decided to start small and start with the basic package of 170, which promised a complete SEO rework for 3 videos and my channel. According to the description, I'll get keywords, titles, metadata, descriptions, and text all optimized to perfection. It claimed to be the perfect way to start your channel, with features designed for unlimited growth potential. The seller even emphasized the use of AI, tracking tools, and years of expertise. To make sure this wasn't all talk, I messaged the freelancer beforehand. They reassured me that their service would improve my channel's searchability, help my videos rank higher, and suggested to my subscribers. From what I understand, this means that after the optimization, my videos will have a better chances of ranking higher, which is exactly what I'm after, because with so much competition on YouTube, getting your video to rank on the first page can make your channel blow up pretty quickly. As for the part about my subscribers getting my video suggested, I'm not too concerned, because when you upload a video, there's an option to notify your subscribers anyway, so that part isn't a big deal to me. He also assured me that this service won't bring in artificial traffic. The page was solid, and with over 1,000 glowing reviews, I didn't think twice about placing my order. So let's grab a credit card and lock this in. By the end of this video, you'll find out if the views are legit and whether I'm actually going viral or not. I sent over 3 underperforming videos and waited for the magic to happen. 3 days later, I received a checklist of tasks the freelancer had completed. I'm curious to see how it turns out. Let's break it down. For the description part, it looked like they had turned my video titles through ChatGPT to generate description. The reason I'm so sure is because I use ChatGPT a lot and I can easily tell when something's AI generated. This feels like a straightforward copy-pasting job. Honestly, I'm not impressed. Next, let's talk about the title. Again, the title was tweaked using AI, mainly to show that some effort was put in. Personally, I prefer to mimic what's already working on YouTube, along with using a tool called CodeSchedule. I'll dive deeper into using this tool in an upcoming video, so keep an eye out for that when it's uploaded. Let's move on to the text. Same thing, ChatGPT and VRQ once again. Now for hashtag, yep, you guessed it, same process. Next up are the end screens. There's nothing to do here since I already set them up earlier. Then we move on to checking the overall settings. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure what that includes. As for the channel keywords, nothing changed from what I already had. Next up are the upload defaults. He did add some default text like all of this, but honestly, I find it way too long. No one wants to read something that feels like an essay. I'm not a fan of it, but since it's for SEO, let's just hope it works. Moving on to the channel page layout. There's nothing else to be done here either, since all the essential features are already set up. Then there's the trailer. I already had that set up as well. As for the playlist and watermark, they have both been set up ever since the channel was created. Next up is the channel bio. I already had my own bio written, but he went a step further, pasting a long essay into it. Honestly, it felt excessive, but if it's helped with the SEO and it works, I guess it's worth it. As for the links, these are your other social media accounts where you can drive YouTube traffic. Basically, if you have them, you just give it to him and he'll add them here for you. And that wraps up the channel rework kit. Honestly, if you're a complete beginner on YouTube or just someone who hates doing all the setup work, hiring someone like him could be a smart move. It does take time to set all this up, but it's not complicated. And for me, it feels more like a channel setup rather than some complex SEO optimization, something that's typically harder or only experts really dive into, like backlinks and the nitty-gritty SEO stuff. That's why I said it's more of a channel setup thing, something I've done for my clients before, so I'm not exactly blown away by the changes, especially since he even told me in the voice message that I've already done a great job on my channel. But let's not forget the main goal here is to boost my channel's SEO. So I'm still holding on to hope, being patient and waiting for about 3 to 5 weeks to see the result, as he mentioned. Because who knows, maybe he can work some magic and get my channels to go viral overnight. It's January now and 6 months have gone by. I think I've given it more than enough time to see some growth. So let's analyze the first video. The world officially started on July 18. Back then, this video already had 548 views and now it's sitting at 553 views. That's just 5 extra views. As for the subscribers and watch time, well, let's not even go there. The 8 subscribers were already there before the campaign even started. So when it comes to the first video optimization, the results aren't exactly looking great. Now let's check out the second video. It had 141 views before the optimization and now it's at 201. That's 60 extra views. Slightly better than the first video but still nothing impressive. And for the third video, well, I was hoping for something more promising but as expected, it's a flat line from 72 views to just 85. That's only 13 extra views. Honestly, it's horrible. No high traffic at all, which means there is zero chance this video is going to blow up. But hold on, I think there is still one last thing to try. Remember when he claimed that optimizing the metadata would make my videos more discoverable on YouTube, that it would increase the chances of ranking higher. Let's put that to the test and see if I can actually find my videos on YouTube. Here's the plan. I'm going to search the way an average viewer would, typing in general terms they might look for, not the exact title of my videos, because viewers won't know the exact title. Instead, you'll rely on how YouTube suggests content based on keywords in the title. This title focuses on keywords like law of assumption and never gotta. Ideally, my video should show up when someone searches for a phrase like how to use the law of assumption, bracket, never gotta. Let's see if it actually ranks or show up. And nothing. My video didn't rank or show up for the first test. Let's skip ahead for the second video. Still no sign of my video. Now on to the third one. Nope, not there either. So it's pretty clear none of the videos rank or gain visibility as promised. What I can conclude from all this is that even after the optimization, YouTube isn't recommending my videos. The results were honestly terrible and I'll rate this service a 3 out of 10. The only reason he gets a 3 is because he did deliver what he said he would. I'll give credit for the effort of putting everything into a nice template and even recording a voice note to explain what was done, despite already sending the template. However, when it comes to actual results, there's barely anything to show for it. Considering I paid $170 for this, it feels like a complete disaster. Would I recommend this service? No, as you have seen from what I've shared, all 3 videos are completely dead. There's no traffic, no momentum, nothing. Maybe it could work if I kept paying him for the SEO work over the next 6 months. But investing another 1,000 over for a result like this, I don't think I will. Based on what I received, I genuinely believe I could achieve much better results through organic growth and consistency on my order without draining my wallet. The main reason I decided to try this was because I thought I was missing some secret formula that only experts knew, maybe even hoping for a shortcut to make my channel go viral overnight. But after this campaign, it felt like a glorified channel setup that I could have done myself. So can anyone else? All you need is to understand how to use AI tools effectively, pair that with promoting your videos organically and staying consistent with uploads, and you'll see far better results than what I got from this campaign. What I took away from this experience is that it's better to invest that money into hiring a skilled video editor or a thumbnail designer. Those are the things that truly help your videos stand out, improve your click-through rate, and boost your retention rate. I've also tried promoting my YouTube videos with Fiverr before. If you're curious about how it turned out, you definitely want to check out this video.